Mornington Peninsula Shire, Maca Infrastructure Proprietary Limited, and Oldfield Consulting Australasia, Eastern Sister Footpath and Rockwall Sea Project, Sorrento, Victoria. Limestone cliffs around the Eastern Sister headland in Sorrento had eroded over time. This created a risk of collapse and safety concerns for users of the beach and coastal walking track. Maca Infrastructure was engaged to construct a footpath and seawall around the headland to safely connect Cameron's Bight to Sullivan's Bay. Located in an area of significant historic and cultural value, a continuous record of works was required, and time-lapse cameras were used throughout the project. With the site subject to varying tides and tide heights, a major project challenge was timing. Sections of the cliff were also identified as hazardous and at significant risk of collapse. Project works included constructing a barrier around the toe of the headland to protect works from tides and weather, a 160 kg secondary armour core and a 1,350 kg armour outer shell to match the colour of the cliffs, a durable footpath surface to fit naturally with the surrounds, and a debris trench along the foot of the cliff. Oldfield Consulting's initial risk assessment revealed a need for a seawall buffer. As an addition to the original project scope, a leeward debris trench was dug to prevent the pathway and allow any cliff material to be collected. Long-reach excavators help stabilise the unsafe cliffs with minimal scaling of unstable rock formations. In accordance with the stringent Construction Environmental Management Plan, the design solutions helped avoid contamination or damage to fragile ecosystems. In accordance with Indigenous cultural heritage constraints, Maca did not excavate the seabed and, for greater stability, widened the toe with additional rock. A concise traffic management strategy developed with Vic Roads allowed for dedicated truck access, traffic flow, and stockpiling clear of the beach. Monitoring of potential sea sediment from the works was managed through the time-lapse cameras and staff monitoring, including 2 hourly turbidity readings and visible plume markers placed at 30-metre intervals. Now named the Dorothy Horton Walk, the Seawall is very popular with walkers and is a major attraction for Melburnians.